today. Food number 1, flavored yogurt. This one is painful because plain yogurt, genuine, unsweetened, full-fat yogurt, is genuinely excellent for gut health after 60. It contains live cultures that feed your beneficial bacteria. But flavored yogurt, the kind with fruit at the bottom, the vanilla swirl, the low-fat berry variety, is a different product entirely. Most flavored yogurts contain between 15 and 25 grams of added sugar per serving. And added sugar, particularly in this quantity, feeds the harmful bacteria in your gut, not the helpful one. Research published in 2025 confirms that ultra-processed foods high in synthetic additives and added sugars are directly linked to a decrease in microbial diversity, the very diversity your immune system depends on after 60.